Hi guys, and welcome back. I'm Tanya and this is Creations with Tanya. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Saturday. I am doing some blooms today. So I have the following colors that I'm going to use. I have TLP, Comet. There's not much left, so I figure why not use it up. And then I have a little bit left of TLP ball gown. Not much. Scraping the bottom of my little dish here. And I also have Venus, which is also TLP right here. I have a Liquitex Basics Dioxazine Purple that I'm going to use. And I have Phthalo Green Atelier, which I'm also going to use. And for my cell activator, I am going to use Golden Payne's Gray. There we go. And of course, my Glidden Essentiels Interior White Base paint is going to be for my pillow. So I'm going to cover the canvas and then let's get to doing some blooms. Okay, so I've poured my Glidden Essential and now I am going to put some Dioxazine Purple on the bottom. So what have you guys been doing? It's Earth Day today. Fun. All I can think about is spring. And I wish it would hurry up and arrive. This little piggy ball gown. There we go. And then I'm going to do this little piggy Comet. Then I'm going to do Phthalo Green. And top it off with some of this little piggy Venus. Sorry if my hand's in the way. And I think I'm gonna try blowing with my mouth because it's so small. Well, yeah, I'm gonna try with my mouth first, and if it doesn't work out, then I will use the hairdryer. All right. And then this is Payne's Gray Cell Activator with Australian floetrol. There we go. All right, let's go. Let's see how this goes. I'm not blowing hard enough, I don't think. Maybe that's the problem. There we go. How's that? Is it enough? I can get my straw out. Might give me a better below. I'm not seeing very many cells. Let me see if I can do that. Sorry, I'm in the light. It's kind of funky, this squiggly. All right, let's spin it. Let's spin it the other way. I need to get some of this paint off. Wondering, there's so much paint spray right there. All right, I'm gonna do some tilting. Get some of this paint off. Can you guys see that right? Trying to get some of that pillow paint I brought up. And now turn it around for you and try and get it back to the center. Definitely gives a dark and stormy, but yet spring light. That's good. What do you guys think? Not what I was working my way towards. I was thinking of something totally different. So I might have to do another one and see how that goes. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful day, and keep painting. Thank you. Bye. All right, here we are. This is the first one, and it's on an 8x8 canvas, if I didn't mention that. We'll start at the top left. Not what I was expecting today, that's for sure. But definitely different. I'm not sure if you can see the shimmer off of from the ball gown. But anyways,